Hey everyone! Welcome back to Crypto Kickstart, your go-to channel for all things crypto. Today we're diving into the amazing promo code opportunities on BingX. Whether you're new to crypto or a seasoned trader, this guide will help you maximize your benefits on BingX. And don't forget, you can use the BingX referral code CHUCHU to get some fantastic bonuses. Let's get started. First off, let's talk about the benefits of using a BingX promo code. By using a referral code, you can get up to a $5,125 sign-up bonus and a 5% lifetime discount on trading fees. This is a great way to start your trading journey on BingX with some extra perks. Visit the BingX website or open the BingX app and click on the Sign Up button. Enter your email address, create a secure password, and agree to the terms of use. In the referral ID box, type CHUCHU to ensure you receive the bonuses. Click on Create Account and verify your email. Complete KYC verification login to your new BingX account. Confirm your country of residence and fill in your personal details. Upload the required identification documents and a selfie for identity verification. BingX will review your documents and notify you once the verification is complete. Once your account is verified, log in and go to the Rewards Hub in your profile. Under the Ongoing tab, find the Welcome Bonus Rewards and click Claim Now. Complete the tasks to receive your rewards. Verify your identity, 10 USDT rebate. Make your first deposit, 30 USDT rebate. Make your first trade, 50 USDT rebate. Additional bonuses for higher trading volumes. To further reduce your trading fees, consider using BingX's additional promotions and referral program. You can earn up to 50% of your friends' trading fees when they sign up using your referral code. Plus, complete additional tasks for more bonuses and rewards. Compared to other major exchanges like Binance and Coinbase, BingX stands out for its generous bonuses and lower trading fees. The additional discounts available through promo codes make BingX a cost-effective option for active traders. Users generally praise BingX for its comprehensive bonus structure and user-friendly platform. Many appreciate the variety of bonuses and the ability to significantly reduce trading costs through these rewards. To wrap it up, BingX offers a fantastic range of bonuses that can benefit all types of traders. From welcome bonuses to trading fee discounts, there are plenty of opportunities to enhance your trading experience on BingX. Don't forget to use the referral code CHUCHU when you sign up to get some great bonuses and kickstart your trading journey. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Crypto Kickstart for more crypto tips and reviews. Thanks for watching and happy trading.